everyone! Today we will be making air-fried tofu and cauliflower General Tso. Remove paper towel and cut tofu into 1-inch cubes. Here we have 1 cup of chickpea flour. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Now add 3/4 of a cup of milk and whisk to smooth batter consistency. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and season it with salt and pepper and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk well. Submerge the tofu pieces into batter and then coat them with the panko breadcrumbs. Make sure it's an even coat. Do the same with the cauliflower florets. Place battered pieces in an air fryer on 395 for 15 to 20 minutes. While those are air frying, we will make the sauce. Add to a bowl 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sherry, a half cup of water, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Whisk together well. Once the tofu and the cauliflower are done, add to a bowl and set aside. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the sauce and whisk together until it's thickened. Once thickened, quickly add the tofu and the cauliflower and toss to coat. Remove from pan and plate. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. I hope you guys like this recipe, and I hope you try it out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Plate on a Budget.